Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Georgia. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how I made a 2000% on my $10. So before we get started with this video, make sure you like this video, you comment, you also share this video, subscribe if you have not, follow me on Instagram and on Facebook at IamjustGeorgiak. So guys, so let's talk about this now. So before you want to get your $10, right? After you get your $10, you want to see what you want to do with it. So with my $10, I used that $10 and I went to Ross. They were having a sale. I'll put the video in the link above in the description, in the link. And I went ahead to Ross and I purchased every single thing that they had. They have sales on January to February. I think January 25th to February 1st, and everything in their store goes for 49 cents. Like the most you'll see things for is maybe like $3, and that's very expensive at that time. So I went ahead and I only got things that were 49 cents or $1 the most. $1 the most. And I'll show you the video, and I'll also put the link up so you can go ahead and watch that video. And then after I do that, I got all my supplies and everything, and my clothing that I want to use, my clothing that I have. I take those products that I have and I went on Mecari. So Mecari, it's a selling site, so you can buy and sell. And with Mecari, you can buy and sell used clothes, new clothing, electronics, anything you can find in your house. You can buy, you can sell it on Mecari. As long as it's legal, you can sell anything on Mecari. The only downside is Mecari, they do take 10%, which is not really much, but yes, they do take a 10%. But let me just stop talking and I'll show you like a screen recording of all the products that I have, how much I sell it for, my profit, and then I'll show you what I make in the end. So guys, stay tuned. So yeah guys, so this is the app. It's called Mecari right here. I'm just pressing on it, and this is how it looks. So I'm just gonna go to sell right here, and then I'm going to show you, I'm not going to do that. Before I show you how much money I made, I'm just going to go to selling, and then I'm gonna do complete so you guys can see everything that I sold. So the first thing that I sold was this top. Yeah, it was a like a lime green top. And what I see with Mecari, like the more like extra large clothes you have or plus size clothing, like your things are gonna get sold off really fast. So right here I sold it for $15 and I made them pay for the shipping, which was $5.99. What I do is I always make them pay for the shipping, so I don't have to worry about that side. So this is what it came down to. And after Macari took out their money, I'll show you. After Macari took out their money, so right here it shows you that it sold for $15. The selling fee was $1.50. Processing fee was 74 cents, and I made $12.76, and the buyer was charged $1.26 for their tax. So right here, I sold this top, plus size top. I sold it for $12, and I made them pay for the shipping, which was $5.99. Right here you can see, so it was sold for the $12. The fee, they took out the fee. After they took out the fee, I made $10.15. The second item I sold, and mind you, all of these items that I'm showing you right now, they all cost 49 cents. I haven't sold any item that costs $1 or even more than 49 cents yet. So this was 49 cents too. This was a medium jacket. I sold it for $20, and they paid for the shipping. So after Macari took out their money, I got $17.17. This this dress, I sold it for $25. I paid 49 cents for it. They paid for the shipping, which was $12. After Macari took out their money, I made, let me see, I made $21.47. This dress, it's a kid's dress, like a little girl's dress. I paid for it. It was 49 cents also. I sold it for $19 and $19, and they paid the $5 for shipping. After Macari took out their money, I made $16.25. The maternity top. So this one I sold it for $12, and the shipping was $5. So the customer paid for shipping, which if you want to make more money, you always make the customer pay for shipping. So you don't have to worry about that. I made $10.15. The same top, I sold it for $9, and they paid for the shipping. After Macari took out their money, I made $7.54. This pants, it was 49 cents. I sold it for $30 plus $11 shipping. So this is the pants. Really nice jeans. It was like a 2X. It was a 20 regular. After Macari took out their money, I made $25 and 83 cents. This girl's top, I sold it for $13. And you guys get the drift. So if you guys want to see a next video of me how I made the other money, I can also do that. Let me see, hold on. So now I'm gonna show you how much money I've made on Macari in 2 weeks. So this is the amount of money I've made in 2 weeks selling the clothes I got from Ross, and also selling Amazon products. So you don't have to have any money for that. All you need is your credit card. You buy the thing. After it comes to you, you send it to the person. You get paid. You get the profit. You put back that money on your credit card. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you give me a like, comment down below, and I'll